Today I'm gonna install a solar powered chicken gate, and my granddad has already put all the tools outside, so it should be easy. The green light means that it's charging, although it's inside the house and it's kind of pointing away from the sun. And then, yeah, this is amazing. Ah, okay, ja. We had to do this little cut because the battery of the solar panel is permanently attached to the panel. Damn. Oh, super.
Ja, genau nicht so schlimm. Halt da ein, halt da
Ja.
ein. Naja, kommen wir immer noch nachziehen.
Ja. There's a chick and a hen.
Anne, warte. Du musst das von hier, du musst das ja nehmen, ne?
Genau.
Warte, jetzt muss etwas zurück.
Ja. Dann machen wir das zuerst dran.
Oh, jetzt haben wir immer.
That's the lifting module installed, but we still need to put the line down here to lift the thing up. And it's all done by solar. I have to screw that on a wall now. And that's it closing. Very nice. And that's it opening. Very nice. Let's see if it stops. Perfect. Now we have to clear up all the cables, and then it should be done. Yeah, we still need to make it look neater than this, but my grandfather has put a piece of wood at the top because of my terrible sawing. We're going to the shops, so we buy some stuff for the sides. So we're just gonna put that thing in there so it looks a lot neater.
Die sollten eigentlich schon hier reingehen.
That's the final product. And this works a treat. Chicken seems confused. What's it gonna do? Is it gonna go inside? It was almost. Nope. Now it's 6:30 in the morning. I got out a little bit too late to watch the door open, but all the chickens got out except maybe one. Huh. For some reason, the chickens can't go back into the house. They like to stand in front of the door and wait for it to go open. Maybe this time. Let's go. Yes, 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 yes. Da, 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 da. Building a solar chicken gate. Done.